Hey everyone, this is Adib again. Um, we're really excited to introduce some of our new improvements. We have new features and new UI, and this is all thanks to all of you guys' feedback and our commitment to making Boardmaster the ultimate, most accurate AI-powered med school learning platform. This is our new layout and user interface for the study sessions where you're able to upload your lectures, your notes, any Word, PowerPoint, PDF document that you have. And Boardmaster uses one of the highest rated and most accurate um, AI large language models, which is rated 96.6% accurate on medical concepts to generate in depth, highly relevant USMLE style questions from your materials. So the idea is as you're going through med school, you know, you're getting exposed to these types of questions early on, as opposed to waiting until the last 3 months before your boards to try and get used to these types of questions and vignettes. So it's really two birds with one stone situation where you have your class material, when you might have a quiz or an exam the next day, you're reviewing that. Alongside that, you're also getting exposed and used to answering these types of questions. So it's really a two for one. And so, for example, we have this question here. Not really going to read it all, but let's just select answer B, submit, and immediately you're given the explanation, very in depth. You also have images that are pulled from your document, where if it's relevant and it's linked to it as well. Full explanation, analysis of all the other options, comparison table, just really, really in depth so that you get the most out of these questions, that you really, really understand the topics. Not just why the right answer was right, but why each answer was incorrect. But let's say this explanation doesn't do it for you and you need a little bit more. We're proud to introduce Cortex Study Sidekick. So, Cortex can see what you can see, understands what you're looking at, what you're studying, and you can ask Cortex anything. So, in this situation, why is B wrong? Right? And it'll tell you right away why it's wrong and tie everything together. That's great. But let's say you're reading your PowerPoint, right? And you don't understand this concept, insufficient UDP. So you highlight it, and instead of having to go to Google, you hit explain, and immediately Cortex gives you the explanation. And again, it understands what you're studying. It knows that you are studying newborn hyperbilirubinemia, right? It's not just going to be giving you a definition within a silo of very narrow context. It's giving you the definition, the explanation within the context of what you're studying, really giving you a rich experience. But we take this even a step further. Let's say there is a diagram on your PowerPoint. You can then do the screenshot and explain. Our AI uses vision to analyze your charts, graphs, images, whatever the case may be. And just like anything else, Cortex knows what you're studying, how it relates, so how this image relates to what you're studying, and really gives you a holistic explanation. And there you go. It gives you the full breakdown of what you're looking at and really helps you understand it. And that's our new UI in a nutshell. I appreciate everyone's feedback and support on this journey. And you can check us out at boardmaster.ai, and we'll see you in the next video.